It is 6:38 right now. Parents hoping to give the kids a puppy on Christmas morning are finding that the puppies they buy online can be a scam criminals use to steal money. Puppy scams are our fifth scam of Christmas. According to the Better Business Bureau, puppy scams that use addresses in Maryland are especially prevalent. They suck you in with a picture of a cute puppy, but then they start requesting anywhere from a few hundred to even a few $1,000s and then demand more money later on.
The puppy is stranded at an airport. Now you need to pay an additional fee for the crate services or other charges to get the puppy from the airport to your doorstep.
Okay, easiest way to avoid this is just to adopt your new pet from a rescue shelter. You should, if you don't do that, meet the pet in person. You want to search that image online. Very often a scam would be used at the same photo on multiple sites. So you also want to think about paying with a method that has fraud protection like a credit card, or if you are looking for a specific breed, make sure you use a well-known breeder in your community or find one through the American Kennel Club's breeder referral search. We are going through the 12 scams of Christmas. Check them out right now on our nicely redesigned website, WMAR2news.com/consumer. Much less clutter on WMAR2news.com this morning. 6:40 right now. Up next, how that Lamar Jackson has been named the starting quarterback. We'll hear from both the rookie and Joe Flacco about Coach John Harbaugh's decision.